Today I'm going to show you how to build a sign like this one using some simple tools and a cedar fence picket. Let's get going. After printing off my design, I trim off the extra paper and cut it to length. I'll use that to determine the length of the board that I need. I use a handsaw to trim my board to length, but any saw would do. I'm going to use my planer to take the cup out of the board so I have a nice flat surface. Sandpaper would do the trick as well. Now it's time to transfer the design to the board. I'm going to use some carbon paper and trace my outline. If you got the skills, you could also go freehand. Voila! I think that looks pretty good. To cut out my design, I'll be using a V-bit on the router. I set the depth at about 1/4 of an inch and move carefully. With the leftover wood in the center of the letters, I'm going to use my 1/4 inch straight bit to trim that out. And then use the wire brush to get rid of any of the little pieces of wood that don't want to let go. On the ends of the board, I'll be cutting some V grooves to give it a weathered, rustic appearance. A handsaw or a jigsaw works really well for this. Then I'll use a rasp to smooth over the edges. Now it's time for some paint. I'll be using black, but school colors, if it's a school slogan, would be a great idea. I'm going to get the letters, the sides, and the ends. Don't worry about keeping the paint in the lines. We'll take care of that later. Once done, we'll give the paint time to completely dry. That way the sawdust doesn't stick to it. Then we'll run it through the planer, taking off just enough material to get rid of the excess paint and leave nice clean letters. Alright, we're almost there. We'll put on a nice clear coat and then add a hanger. For that, I'll be using some 1/4 inch manila rope and we'll attach it with hot glue. Alright, I hope you liked my video. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more content.